Welcome to Easy English Stories. If you don't want to miss our new stories, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We work very hard to bring you fun and useful stories. Your support helps us a lot. Now let's begin. Emma's funny experience at the coffee shop. Emma loves coffee. Every morning she drinks a big cup of coffee. One Saturday morning, she decides to try a new coffee shop in town. She puts on her coat, takes her bag, and leaves her apartment. The sun is shining, and the weather is nice. She walks to the coffee shop happily. When she arrives, she sees a small but cozy cafe. The name of the cafe is Sunny Beans. The smell of fresh coffee is in the air. There are many people inside, talking and laughing. Emma smiles and opens the door. "Good morning," says the barista. He is a tall man with brown hair. His name tag says Jack. "Good morning," Emma replies. "This is my first time here. What do you recommend?" Jack smiles. "Our special coffee is the caramel latte. It is very delicious." Emma nods. "That sounds great. I'll have a caramel latte, please." Jack writes her order on a cup. "What is your name?" "Emma," she says. Jack writes EMMA on the cup. Then he gives her a number and says, "Please wait a few minutes." Emma finds a table near the window. She takes out her phone and checks her messages. After a few minutes, she hears Jack call a name. "Llama, your coffee is ready." Emma looks up. Did he say llama? She laughs. Maybe someone else has that name. She waits. Jack calls again. "Llama, caramel latte for llama." Everyone in the coffee shop looks around. No one stands up. Emma walks to the counter. Did you mean Emma?" Jack looks at the cup. "Oh, I'm so sorry. I wrote your name wrong. Here is your coffee." Emma laughs. "No problem. Llama is a funny name." Jack smiles. "Enjoy your coffee, Emma? Or llama?" Emma takes her coffee and sits down. The coffee is warm and sweet. She looks at the cup and laughs again. Llama is written in big letters. She takes a picture and sends it to her friend. Her friend replies, "Ha ha, from now on I will call you Llama." Emma shakes her head and laughs. It is a funny morning at the coffee shop. She decides to stay a little longer. She looks around the cafe. There are people working on laptops, friends chatting, and some people reading books. She likes the cozy atmosphere. She takes a sip of her coffee and enjoys the soft music playing in the background. Then she hears a small voice. "Excuse me, miss." Emma turns her head and sees a little girl standing near her table. The girl has big blue eyes and curly brown hair. She is holding a small cookie in her hand. "Hello," Emma says with a smile. "Your name is Llama?" the little girl asks, looking at the cup in Emma's hand. Emma laughs. "No, my name is Emma, but the barista made a funny mistake." The little girl giggles. "That's funny. I like llamas." "Me, too. They are very cute," Emma says. The little girl's mother comes and takes her hand. "Come on, Lily, let's go." "Bye, Miss Llama," the little girl says and waves. Emma waves back, still smiling. "Bye, Lily." After finishing her coffee, Emma decides to buy a small cake. She goes back to the counter. Jack sees her and laughs. "Llama is back," he says playfully. Emma grins. "Yes, and Llama wants a chocolate cake." Jack nods and gives her a small plate with a chocolate cake. Enjoy! Emma takes the cake and returns to her seat. She takes a bite, and it is delicious. She thinks, I will come here again. She stays in the cafe for another hour, enjoying the cozy place. Before she leaves, she writes a small note on a napkin. Great coffee and funny memories. Llama. She places it on the table and walks to the door. Before stepping out, she hears Jack call, See you soon, Llama. Emma laughs and waves. See you soon, Jack. It is a wonderful morning, and she knows she will always remember this funny experience at the coffee shop. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun stories. See you in the next video.